This coding question has appeared in TikTok interviews in the past 6 months. So given a binary tree and a target value, return all routes to leaf paths where the sum of the values is equal to target. Let's say the target is equal to 22, we have the following paths where the sum of the elements is equal to 22, and then we can return the paths. Let's first go over the definition of a leaf node. So leaf node is a node that does not contain any child nodes. Let's go over the thought process. As we traverse down the tree, we will keep track of the sum of the path. And we will also need to keep track of the nodes in the path. When we reach a leaf node, if the sum is equal to target, we have found a valid path. After checking one path, we can backtrack our steps to check another path. Let's implement the function pathSum, taking the root and target sum, create a resulting list, invoke the helper method, then we can return results. Let's implement the function pathSum, taking the node, sum, path, target, and our results. If node is equal to node, return from the recursive call. Add the current node value to the path, increment sum by the node value. If the current node is a leaf node and sum is equal to target, add the path to our results, recursively traverse the left subtree, recursively traverse the right subtree, and then we can backtrack our steps.